Setting up a Quora ad campaign. Hey there, everyone. All marketers and business owners know that there's an end to every organic marketing campaign, and that you need to advertise if you want to scale. The good news is that Quora has a self-service advertising platform that allows you to run ads natively on their site. And in this lesson, we're going to teach you how to create your first ad campaign on Quora. Get started by joining Quora for Business. Before you can start running ads on Quora, you will need to join their Quora for Business program. All you have to do is to visit the Quora for Business section at Quora.com/business, and once there, to click on the sign up link. Log into your Quora account and then to follow the registration steps. Step number 1. Creating a campaign. Once you join Quora for Business, you will be able to create ad campaigns by signing into your account, clicking on the profile icon, and then on the Ads Manager tab in the profile menu. Now that you are in the Ads Manager dashboard, click on the Create Campaign button. On the following page, you have to start by entering the name of your new campaign. Then you have to select your campaign objective. There are 4 objectives to choose from: conversions, app installs, traffic, and awareness. For this example, we are going to select awareness, so we can get more users to see and engage with one of our answers. Next up, you have to set your budget and duration. Start by setting your budget. You can set a daily maximum budget or a lifetime budget that stops your campaign when your budget is spent. For this example, we are going to enter a daily maximum budget. Now it is time to set your schedule. You can select to begin advertising immediately, or you can select to set a start and optional end date. For this example, we are going to select to begin advertising immediately. You can click on Continue after you configure all settings on this page to move on to the next step. Step number 2. Creating the ad set. Next up, you have to create the ad set for this campaign. Start by entering the name of this new ad set into the ad set name field. Now you have to select your primary targeting strategy. There are 4 primary targeting strategies to choose from. Contextual targeting shows your ad to users according to topics, keywords, or questions. Audience targeting allows you to show your ads to users that match your web traffic, to lookalike audiences, and to your contact list. Behavioral targeting shows your ads to users according to their interests, and to retarget them based on their history. Lastly, broad targeting shows your ads across Quora so your ad gets as many impressions as possible. For this example, we're going to select contextual targeting. Then we're going to select topics. This selection will allow us to show our ads in the topics that we choose. Next, we are going to enter the topics where we want to show our ad into the Targeted Topics field. Now it is time to set the remaining targeting options. In location targeting, you'll have to enter the locations where you want users to see your ad. In platform and browser targeting, you have to select the device types, mobile platforms, and desktop browsers that can show your ads. In email targeting, you have to check or uncheck whether you want to include ads in the Quora Digest email. We highly recommend you to activate this targeting option. In demographic targeting, you have to select the genders you want to show your ads to. To exclude questions or audiences, you can exclude questions or audiences from showing your ad. Lastly, in the Set a Bid section, you have to select your bid optimization strategy. You can optimize for clicks, for impressions, or for generic conversions. For this example, we are going to select impressions, so we can show this ad to as many people as possible. After you select your bid strategy, you have to enter your top bid into the bid field below. Here, we recommend you to enter an amount that is equal or above the suggested bid below. You can click on the Continue button after you complete your configurations on this page. Step number 3. Creating the ad and launching the campaign. Now it is time to create the ad for this campaign. Start by entering the name of the ad into the Ad Name field. Next, select an ad format. The available formats include image ad, text ad, and promote an answer. For this example, we're going to select promote an answer. To promote an answer we have given to a question made in the topic that we are targeting. If you select this objective, go to the Creative section and edit the business name. Next, enter the URL of the answer that you are going to promote into the Answer URL field. You can find the URL of an answer by going to the question where you left the answer that you want to promote, clicking on You've written an answer, and then copying the URL from the address bar on the next page. Back on the Creative page, you'll see a preview of the ad after loading the URL. You can now click on Continue. Lastly, you will be prompted to review your ad info and to submit a payment method. You can click on Complete Order to pay for the ad and launch your campaign.